Hi everyone, welcome to this Get Ready With Me video for the spring. Lately I'm into such colorful liners, so I thought of showing you all how I create them. This is such an easy peasy liners look. So yeah, create it now. Let's straight jump into the video. Starting off with this beautiful primer by Benefit. This is a professional primer and it does its job perfectly. Make my skin smooth and ready for the flawless base. I apply this on the nose and forehead, and also I fill up my laugh lines with the same. I'm skipping foundations for so long till now you have discovered that I'm a concealer girl. Using the Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02 on all the areas when I need coverage and blending it all over the face. It's a very full coverage concealer and yet hydrating. One of my favorite concealer after Too Faced, of course. Now switching my brush with pack 272 for the under eye area because it fits perfectly on those tiny areas around the nose and around the mouth. You can see how it's doing its job. Trying this new trend, mixing my cream blush with the cream highlighter to see how it looks. Using Inside Cosmetics Cream Blush Watermelon Popsicle and NYX Liquid Illuminator Gleam. Blending the both together to get that dewy blush. It is so pretty, you can see that. Now taking my blush for the other side and spreading. Now taking Coverfx loose powder to set my face. One of the best loose powders I have come across. So lightweight and comfortable on the skin. Bronzing my face with the Sugar Cosmetics Woody Wonder. In summers I love to bronze my face instead of contouring. It provides a warmth to the skin and I love that kind of look. Bronzing my nose also. Becca Cosmetics Highlighter Champagne Pop to get that additional glow. Highlighting my usual points. Onto the eyebrows now, using Maybelline Fashion Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Grey to fill up the gaps. You can use any eyeshadow palette for this step particularly. I am into this eyebrow pencil right now. For the eyes, I am using this BH Cosmetics palette and it's perfect. It has such pretty colors. I am taking this light brown shade for the transition and doing the back and forth motion. Applying the same color on the lower eyes. Now taking a light shade for the lid area. It gives an illusion of a bigger lid space. You can see the difference immediately after applying that light shade. Highlighting my brow bone and inner corners as well. Now if you want, you can continue using that same palette and create any colorful look. But I will add some colorful liners. So I have these Grwm lipsticks for so long. So thought of creating liner with this. Taking this purple shade on a bent eyeliner brush and creating this sharp wing liner. For that factor, I'm adding this glitters by Swiss Beauty. This is their Midnight Sparkle palette and applying that glitter on the inner corner. Now lots of mascara to skip lashes. I am a mascara girl and I don't want to wear lashes every time. Now onto the lips. Using this NYX Powerpuff Lippy Teenage Dream and Miss Clear gloss on the top. Adding some hair accessory inspired by spring, and that completes my look. I hope you have loved this easy peasy spring inspired look. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this look, and I'll see you in the brand new one. Bye.